Hello people, this is Papa Scott, Featherhawk Racing Channel. It is Sunday, March 2nd, about, I think it's 1:45. Yeah, about 1:45. Heading over to DC Racing, get some more work done, get ready for the racing season. We'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, we're here at DC Racing. Dudley is next door right now. He'll be over in a minute. One of the things that we're going to work on today is going to be the cooling fan that we use to cool off in the pits between rounds. And we've got a few other things that we need to tidy up on the car. And so we can get ready to go racing. Okay, we got the oil changed. Got the valves adjusted. Replaced a couple of Zeus fasteners. Everything's going smooth. Do have a little bit of battery issues, but I'm going to take care of that tomorrow. So we'll see you then. It is March 3rd, about 8:30 in the morning. We are headed to Arlington, Texas to Summit Racing, pick up some batteries for the Camaro.
I'm a son of a rambling man, come from a long, long line. Well, I'm just a hillbilly gypsy, ain't much for settling down. If I thought somebody might miss me, then maybe I'd hang around. So I better keep on drifting, 'cause every town's just a little too small. Ain't nothing in the world like a woman, I'm gonna try to love them all. I'm a son of a rambling man, son of a running kind. I'm a son of a rambling man.
Alright, made it back home. Got the batteries. Be taking those over to DC Racing after 5 o'clock this afternoon, and we'll see you then. Today we're going to be putting new brushes and a new starter drive and a starter to go on the C10. As you can see, the first thing is going to be the brushes. I just got those Phillips head screws holding them in, so pop those in there. Right here is the new ones. You can see them. And this is the new starter drive. What it boils down to is taking this retaining ring off of it and just sliding it off the end there, and then sliding the new one on and putting the retaining ring back on. All right, well, I'm going to get to her. All right, we got the new brushes put in, as you can see here, and here, and here, and here. Also got a new starter drive put on the shafts here. Now we're going to put it all back together so we can put her on the truck. All right, we got her put back together. Let's see if I can stay out of the light. And it's plain old everyday Chevrolet starter. And obviously, next thing is to put her on the truck. Probably be doing that next time I'm out here. All right, y'all have a good one. we did get the valves adjusted, and also cleaned it up a little bit more. And we took the tunnel out of it and checked the transmission fluid, made those adjustments, just basically checking everything over, make sure it's all right. And didn't make a lot of content, but it's hard to work on it and make content at the same time. But we will be back and finish getting it ready. Get a little more work to the hood. It's looking very nice. And I think that's going to do it for today. So we'll see you next time.